Stay there. All right.
All right, Bella, be aggressive. Let's go.
Let's go, Bella. It's your game, Bella.
Yeah, it is. She's like the runner.
All we need is one in the outfield. Lila come all the way around.
By the way, doesn't Lila do track?
Yep.
That's why she's so
All right, yeah, that's right. He ain't coming as fast as you want, but let's take it out of here. Let's go. Here we go. Oh! Somebody's car. I heard that one.
I heard the window.
Oh, yeah. I see somebody's car. I would not park over there.
Daddy, if that was your car, what would you do?
Ain't nothing you can do.
Why not? Can't you call your lawyers?
For what? Call your insurance
My
company.
car was broken by an unstoppable, awesome hitter.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
Nice double steal. Now, let's finish this up. Got a game to go home and watch.
Chicago versus who?
South Korea. Little League World Series. The finals. Too soon.
TV, so I can't even keep up with what's playing anymore.
See?
It would be awesome if she got walked, and then it was a grand slam.
Well, all we need is 2 runs.
I know, but it wouldn't hurt.
No, it wouldn't, but I wanted to see 2 runs. It's 2 runs. That's all we need. Run. We'll take that. I'll take it. Yes, sir.
Daddy, they put 9.
Oh, we only got 8. We only got 8.
It looks like 9.
Yeah. One more run, that's it. All we got to do is bring Lila home. All right, here we go. That's good. Yeah, the play
They
is at
probably
home.
put 9 because they're about to get 9 runs.
They're going to play home every time.
There's no outs.
But it's not a forced run, so she don't have to run yet. Good dig.
Daddy, all she's do is steal home. But at a reasonable time. This is a fast runner we're talking about, so it's possible.
What's up? Oh, okay.
What, the score?
We got to do something about these shoes. Get some tape. Tape them up.
Yeah, because this is like 3 times.
Ooh.
That looks fair. If that looks
That was fair. That would have been beautiful. That would have been a beautiful thing.
yeah, she would have made the second. Bella would have made it home.
She's going to get this one. Ooh. Third baseman up there. Ain't nobody covering third. Don't worry about third. Catcher ain't got nobody to throw it back. Oh, yeah. All she got to do is just put it in play. Just put it in play. Oh, we got 3, 2.
3 and 2.
Deuces.
She's walking.
Yeah. She walks gonna make it easier on them to know what to do. There you go. That's all right. Stay in there. That's a good cut. I'll take that.
Daddy. There we go. Now I'm happy.
She waited. Come on. It's okay. Run it in. You're all right.
Who's number 5? There's none.
Huh?
Who's number 5?
Allie can do it. Come on, Allie.
Who's Allie? She, I haven't.
Watch game, son. Heads up. She's gonna be the one.
It'll be awesome at the end. Their team, whoever the winning team for the home team, they're gonna dump a bucket of water on the coach.
One of these days they will. Pretty sure.
Well, once they get older,
Scott.
like college.
Get
Said
back, get back.
that was a butt rub.
What we got now? 2. 2-1. Just tap it. All we need is a tap. Oh, it's inside. Okay, okay. All right.
Daddy, I'm so tired. I think I'm gonna watch the game already.
You and me both, son. Little League World Series.
I'm not watching.
Chicago playing?
South Korea. Yep.
We have to.
South Korea beat Japan 12-3.
You gotta give me help.
And Japan stomped Nevada. So we don't know what to expect. The game actually started.
What, Chicago?
No, come on down. Come on down.
Yeah, she can do it. She actually opposite field hitter. She's opposite field hitter. Yeah, oh yeah. If they tell her to hit, she's opposite field hitter. They might have her to do a bunt first.
So, Dad, let's see. Hit.
No, he can't. Watch. Oh, they got to swing it. That's all right. She's swinging. She's swinging. That's all right. Gracie, come on, Gracie. Come on, Gracie. You're all right. You're all right.
Let's go, girl. Right here.
Oh, that catcher is getting. There we go.
Eye on the ball, Gracie.
Yeah, the catcher's good.
Catch it aggressive.
Now, if Gracie gets hit, the game's over. She's been hit twice in games by pitch.
You got to put it on the ground, though.
Oh, so we need to get walked.
Anything. That's a strike.
Dad, just one out. Right?
Yeah, it's one out, but that ain't good. They got to get this now. It's got to get done. Come on. 1-2, 1-2, 1-2.
I am awesome.
2-2. Come on, Gracie. Finish it up.
I'm the okay?
Ball game. Good game, Blue. All right, girls. Good job, good job, good job, good job, good job.